P for parrot.
That sounds like a fun project.
Here are some catchy nursery rhyme ideas that blend letters, numbers, and colors. One ABC, rainbow song, apple, red and bright, cute, a beautiful sight. C is for carrot, orange too. D is for duck, in a pond of blue. Let's go through the rainbow, we can sing them all. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, call.
That sounds like a fun project.
Here are some catchy